Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video I am going to explain you about string and string methods in C Sharp. You know that string is a data type in C Sharp and it contains number of methods for performing some operations. So today we'll see it. So let's go to our topic. A string is a class in C Sharp used for storing the text. It contains number of methods for performing operations on variable of type string. A string is immutable. It means when you perform any operation on the string variable, internally one new object is created. It does not reuse the same object for performing the operation. The string objects cannot be changed. Following are generally used string methods. Contains. So string has the contains method. So when we want to get some string and we want to check that a particular substring is present in the string, then we use the contains. String.contains is a string method. This method is used to check whether the substring occurs within a given string or not. This method can give argument null exception if the substring parameter is null. If substring is not present, so in that case it gives argument null exception. The another method is .toLower, toUpper and remove. These are the methods. So first I will discuss about toLower. This is used for converting the string into small letters. ToUpper, this is used for converting the string into capital letters. Suppose I am having one string Smile and it is in small, so it converts into capital letters. Remove, it is used for deleting the string from the existing string. If we want to remove or delete something from the string, then we can use remove method. It deletes the string in the range of start index to the end index. So we have to give start and end index for removing. Suppose my string length is 6 and I want to remove first 3 letters of the string, then I have to give 0 as a start index and 2 as a last index, because indexing start from 0 not from 1, so third will be on 2. It has two overloads. Two overload method it contains. One takes two parameter, another takes one parameter. So when it takes two parameters, so we have to mention start and an index. But when it takes one parameter, then from that particular index, it removes all the substring from that. Suppose I want to remove after third character, I have to mention 2. So it will remove all the letters or characters from the third position. Replace. This method is used for replacing the character or substring from the string by another character or substring. This is a character I and I want to replace it with J. So in that case, we'll use replace method. Next method is split method. The string.split method creates an array of substring by splitting the input string based on one or more delimiters. Here delimiter is a character or word by which we want to split the string. This method is often the easiest way to separate a string on word boundaries. Starts with. This method is used for getting a word which starts with a particular alphabet or character. Suppose I want to get a word or a string which is starting from, or it checks whether a particular word is starting with the particular substring or not. If suppose it starts with that particular substring or character, then it returns it. Join. This method is used to concatenate the members of a collection or elements of the specified array using the specified separator between each member or element. Two-char array. As the name indicates, this method is used to convert a string into an array of characters. Trim. This method is used for removing white spaces from the string. It removes the white space from the start or from the end of the string. Substring. This method is used to retrieve a substring from the current instance of the string. This method can be overloaded by passing the different number of parameters to it. As follows: string.substring int 32 method. This substring is taking integer parameter of type int. Another one is string.substring int 32 comma int 32 method. Means here it is taking two integer start and end index.